Hi everyone, welcome back to Asian Home Kitchen. Today we're making butter garlic fried rice. If you are the person who love to eat fried rice, let's try my recipe. Today we're not gonna make just butter garlic fried rice, but we're gonna add more flavor, more texture in our dish. Alright, let's get started. First thing we need to do is toast bacon. I got a half cup of bacon and I already diced it. Use low heat to toasting until they're crispy, then place onto paper towel. And yeah, that's it for cook the bacon. Then set it aside. Next step, heat the pan on medium heat. Then add 4 tablespoons or 56 grams of butter. Let it melt a little bit, then add chopped garlic in. Fry it with the butter until nice golden brown. Then add 4 cups of cooked rice in. Whenever you want to cook fried rice, when the rice is cooked, use chopstick or fork to stir them from stick together and then let it cool down. And after that, put the rice in a container and keep in refrigerator at least 3 to 4 hours, or you can leave it overnight. After mix well, we're going to add seasoning. Turn to low heat. Set the rice on one side of the pan. Add 6 egg yolks on another side of the pan. Add 1 tablespoon oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon Maggi soy sauce, 1 teaspoon mushroom soy sauce, or you can add any soy sauce you have on hand, and add a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Then turn to high heat, beat the egg, and then combine well with the rice. For this step, you need to stir it quickly, okay? I would like to add 1 tablespoon of sugar. Skip it if you don't like, okay? Add a little of black pepper. Mix well and then turn the heat up. Then add finely chopped green onion and cilantro in. Mix it up. Put a half of rice in a bowl. So the rest I'm going to add crispy bacon in. Mix it up. Of course, put in a bowl. Here we go. Now we got 2 flavors. They all look delicious. Add a little bit more bacon and green onion. To more freshing, you might want some lamb and cucumber. We got two flavors today. One is more flavor from the bacon and another one smooth but tasty. Let me know which one you like. Check my recipe in description box below. Alright, thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time. Bye!